Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Toyota RAV4 XLE. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 2.5 4-cylinder pushing out 176 horsepower. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. Black cloth interior, sunroof. RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive badging, trailer hitch. Opening up the tailgate, we got a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Power windows. Hopping in, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. Media display. Rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, eco and sports mode, heated seats, USB ports and auxiliary. This RAV4 has 104,827 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota RAV4, check out feldmannimports.com.